It's that time of the year. Let's review a few things, shall we? Let's take a look at this beautiful candle warmer. I just got this from Amazon. It has a timer setting. It can go for 2 hours, 4 hours, or 6 hours. You can turn the lamp up or down. It's beautiful. I'm going to take this off first. This will lower for shorter candles or raise up for taller candles. Just tighten it and adjust, and it will melt all of the wax, and you can actually leave this unattended and not have to worry about pets or children burning themselves or setting your house on fire. Anyway, great purchase. I'm in love with it. Plus, it looks great sitting here in my kitchen.